Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Touch ID to unlock your Mac. Let's get started. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner and choosing System Preferences. You can also do this by clicking the System Preferences icon from the dock. From the System Preferences menu, choose Touch ID. Click Add Fingerprint. Enter your Mac password and then click OK. Place your finger on the fingerprint reader and lift and place it repeatedly until your fingerprint is fully scanned. Once the process is complete, click Done. Your new fingerprint will appear here. In the options below Use Touch ID 4, make sure that the checkbox to the left of unlocking your Mac is checked. If it isn't checked, then check it. It should have a blue check mark. You will now be able to use Touch ID to unlock your Mac. I will just close this and lock my screen. As you can see, it says Touch ID or Enter Password. I will use my Touch ID. And as you can see, it's unlocked. That's how you can set up Touch ID on your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.